Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add money to Steam with PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to add money to your Steam wallet from PayPal, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account over here, as I have already logged in. And after logging into your account on the Steam app, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username available for us with the drop down arrow at the right side of your username over here where my mouse is hovering. Click on that button on your username and this kind of menu will appear. Click on the account details option available for us just below the view my profile, and you land on this interface where you can see, guys, you can see the button where it says add funds to your Steam wallet. Will be first required to click on the add funds to your Steam wallet, and you can see, guys, the level or the amount of fund which you will be able to add to your Steam wallet from over here. So I'll be going with the minimal, so let's click on the $5. You can go through any of these which you want. Let's click on the add funds, and on this interface, guys, PayPal will be available over here along with your other payment methods. So in order to add money to your Steam account with the PayPal, click on PayPal and click on continue. And on the next step, this kind of interface will appear where you can see the PayPal button available for us. Click on the PayPal button and a login page to your PayPal will open. Simply enter your email address over here of your PayPal account and then click on the next button over here. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter the password of your PayPal account and you'll be logged in after you entering a password. And if the money is available on your PayPal account to add the funds to your Steam which you just ordered, that amount of money on your Steam will be added if you have it available on your PayPal. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to add money to Steam account with your PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.